Best NFTs to invest in. If you are wondering which NFTs to invest in or what NFTs should you invest in, we have some of the best NFTs to invest in 2022, due to their rarity and performance through the last year. 1. Doodles. This NFT project has been dubbed a community-driven collectibles project, as it boasts an extensive collection of 10,000 creations that are bubblegum scented, sherbet-colored, and candy-flavored. 3 of the world's biggest names are behind this collection. Scott Martin, or Burnt Toast, has created art for Google, Snapchat, and WhatsApp. Former Dapper Labs employees Evan Keast and Jordan Castro, part of Cry to Kitties, join him. Best NFTs to invest in 2022. The NFTs were minted out at 0.123 Ethereum after an exclusive pre-sale. Thanks to the high level of interest, gas prices on the Ethereum network jumped to over 1 ETH per mint when the public mint went live. All this and more makes this project one of the best NFTs to invest in.